Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening. You can hear me, type in the chat box. Hi, Chair. How about the rest? You're in this room. Hi, Alvin, Bing Ho, Tommy, who else? Ellen, Leona. Leona is new graduate, right? Tommy is from where? Tommy. Sin Huat, Carl, and Willie. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's get started. Swiss Italian. Oh, interesting. Are you based in Singapore or based in where? Oh, we got graduates from all over the world. Okay. So it's so fun, right? Okay. So anyway, let's get started. Okay. Glad to see everyone here in this room. Okay, as usual, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Thank you. Okay, so next thing is, as usual, I'll go through the market. Okay, what's happening in the market? There's an update. If you have been joining us in the SMT graduate group, you already should know because it's not much changes. Last week, this week, not much changes. But we just update the market. Okay. And then after that, we will go into your individual stocks and things like that. Today, event is open to public. Okay, we have like 18 of you all in the public group. Thanks for joining us. Please like and share the post if you like what we share. Okay, okay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first is S&P 500. Okay, today I'll do a bit different thing, right? Okay, so we can see the S&P 500 weekly chart is uptrend. That yes, if you agree, no change. We have been, if you are following us for a long time, you know that since beginning of this or end of November 2023, we have been bullish all the way. Yes or no? Oh, no change. Even the recent correction, there was no change. You're still uptrend, right? And the swing trade, there was a swing trade set up over here. Weekly swing, there was a swing set up over here. We bought here, and we are in the swing. Maybe you can take some here, but you did a swing setup here. Type swing if you agree. If this is what we taught in class, right? Type swing if you agree. Yes or no? This is a perfect textbook setup that we taught in class. Whether it is 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 10 years ago, it's the same setup. No change. 10 years ago, we still teach the same thing. Okay, so that is a swing setup, and then no change. Okay. I want to change gear a bit. Today, I want to talk about S&P 500 because a lot of times when we trade the market, we look at S&P 500, we look at NASDAQ. Yes or no? Okay, but there are things that we may not look at to see what's happening in the market actually. Okay, so can we change gear a bit? Don't talk about just this few index. I want to talk about something else. Is it okay? Type yes if it's okay. Because every time the same thing, right? Okay, but I want to share about something else. First thing first, if you look at the S&P 500, you notice the S&P 500 is beginning higher, high, higher low. Uptrend, yes or no? Uptrend, yes or no? No change. But if you can look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you'll notice something interesting. Okay, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is not higher high, higher low. That yes, if you can see that the Dow Jones is not higher high, higher low. So what it means is like that. Okay, now here don't have the Russell. Don't have the Russell 2000. Okay, but the Russell also the same thing. It did not go to higher high, higher low. So what does it tell you about the market? Can you see the difference? Okay, let me just define what is Dow Jones, then you'll understand. S&P 500 is the biggest US stock. Okay, biggest 500 US stocks. Okay, Dow Jones is what we call a price weighted index. Dow Jones is like the oldest index around. Okay, so Dow Jones, right, is not based on market cap. That means normally, logically, right, the weightage, right, should give to the biggest market cap, and market cap is based on price multiplied by share outstanding. Yes or not? But Dow Jones was such an old index. They based on price. Do you follow what I'm saying? So what it means is the highest price got the biggest weighting, which is not correct. But yes, if you understand. Okay? But no, if you don't understand. Okay, so Dow Jones is based on price. The bigger the price, the bigger the weightage. Okay, whereas SMT 500 is based on market cap. Oh, so first thing first, do you all know what is market cap? Hello, do you all know what's market cap? Market cap is price multiplied by share outstanding. How big the company is? Yes or no? Okay, how big the company is. Let's say right now, what is the biggest market cap? Right now, recently, very popular name, Nvidia. Yes, sometimes Nvidia, sometimes Microsoft. I think it dropped back down again. But do you understand? It's price multiplied by share outstanding. Yes or no? Okay. So the number of shares outstanding is important, but Dow Jones is not like that. It's not price multiplied by share outstanding. It's based on price alone. That means a stock that is very high price, even though it got very little shares outstanding, it can still have a higher weightage than a lower stock price. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it is not very accurate, but it's a very easy way to calculate Dow Jones. Okay, so that is just something that you're on to education purpose. It's the oldest index, it's price weighted, it's not market cap weighted. Okay, Russell is market cap weighted. Okay, but Russell also measure the bigger breadth. Okay, that means the 2,000 stocks. Okay, they say it's like the smaller or middle cap stocks. Okay, so then you can see, right, that actually the whole market, right, is run, it is being pushed up by just a few stocks. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand. It's just rarely by a few stocks like AI. So all the AI stock that's run. And there's another phenomenon. I don't know if I shared this in the podcast before. Why is this happening? Anybody got some idea? Why is this happening? Why is it that the top few blue chip is like running? Of course, this is help us because we always say buy strong, sell weak, right? So the strong get stronger is correct. Okay, but why is this happening? Anybody want to guess? Big stock grab more attention. Not exactly 100%. Why is it happening? Why is it that this analyst coverage also not exactly? Last time also have one. Big stock last time also have one. Why is it outstanding? Is technological driven? Not really. Because of what we call in the recent years, there is this thing called ETF. Last time there are a lot more mutual funds where stock selection become important. Do you understand that the fund manager will go and select what stock buy undervalued stock, things like that. But nowadays the trend in the last maybe 20 years the percentage of ETF has increased a lot relative to mutual funds. So when you talk about ETF or passive managed fund, basically what they do, they just invest exactly what the index is. So it's like a positive feedback. When there's more money in the ETF, they would invest in the weight based on the index. And because those higher price stock got more money going into it, they go up higher. Do you follow what I'm saying? So when they go up higher, then when they have new ETF again, more liquidity go to ETF again, more money goes to the stock again. So it's like a spiral. Got it? Okay, just for education, doesn't really make you money, but understand why is it like this. It's like a spiral, but it's based on ETF. When let's say example, if like mutual fund, right, different, right? Because the fund manager can decide, okay, now this one overvalued, then let's sell this one and invest in those lower price stock or more value stocks. ETF don't have. They just follow what the index does. Do you follow what I'm saying? Though there is a positive spiral that more money go into them, they go rise up more, and more money go into them. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it goes on a positive feedback. Like, yes, if you understand. Don't understand, never mind. Just for knowledge, doesn't make you money. Okay. Just okay, sounds smart like that. Okay, why is it like that? Because recently got more mutual funds, and the mutual funds will go into all these index stocks. Okay. So that is the what's happening. Okay, they are driven very so the AI, right, basically drive all these tech stocks up. So there are a few things that can be application. Number one, okay. Number one, there may be middle cap stocks that are very, in terms of fundamental, very, very undervalued. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Because stock selection becomes less important, right? Or less people look into it. That there are undervalued stocks that are maybe second beneficiary of AI, no, not the top names, but the second one, that they may be very undervalued. Type yes if you understand. Okay, that's the first thing. A second thing, that when this spiral come about, I don't know how it will end, but do you understand that it's like a bubble, that there's a positive feedback, the ETF feed the fund, ETF feed the stock goes up, then more money, more people will see their price go up, people will buy more ETF, and then it go up again. So it's like a spiral. So that is another implication. Okay. So another thing we can see when we look at Russell, we look at Dow Jones, is the rally is not broad-based. Okay, that means not every stock is rallying. It's only very selected name is rallying. Got it? Yes, if you understand. Okay, so application number one is, if you like to buy value stocks, you can look at maybe not the top names, but you want to buy maybe the stock selection part. On the other hand, they may be saying that, hey, if is no money is going to them, either they're undervalued, they can continue undervalue, also possible. Okay, so in our SMT philosophy, what is our philosophy? What's our philosophy? What to buy? That's your guys. You all should know. Buy strong, sell weak. Yes or no? You don't go and buy the undervalue. Yes or no? Like, yes, if you got it. Buy strong, sell weak. We don't look for undervalue, mid-cap stock and things like that. But right now, I'm just sharing with you all here that if you want to do fundamental, you want to look at all these things, you can look at this. Okay. But if you last 20 years, you buy strong, sell weak, you're better off than those to look for undervalued gems. Got it? That yes, if you understand. So the next question, Collin will ask, Collin, but how do I integrate this? Yes, I believe buy strong, sell weak, strong get stronger, which is so far is correct. But how do I also have something that is value add? Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, if you want, if you have spare money, then you want to treat it like undervalue kind of stocks, then you don't time. Do you follow what I'm saying? You don't time. That means you just same buy strong, sell weak, goes to position, trade daily and things like that. But you can some money, they say, hey, this one I don't care. Long term, I can just invest one day. You can just put some small amount for those undervalued stocks. Got it? But this one, you don't use position daily, you don't use swing and things like that. Then you can integrate. Or you can say, Collin, I don't need. I just want to follow the philosophy. Buy strong, sell weak, just strong get stronger. Then I just follow the same one. Can also. Type yes if you understand. Question if you don't understand. Please like and share the post if you are in the Facebook group. Oh, Zach, I haven't replied you. Okay, let me. Later I check my Facebook Messenger. I message you, right? But I quite busy. Okay, later I reply you. It's like, oh, okay. So, are there any mid-cap value stocks in mind? I don't have. Okay, you ask me, is there any mid-cap value stocks to mind to play? I think don't have. Most of the time, this way, right, you need to do fundamentals. As Royston. Okay, because most of the time, if it's like this, then it may not be flagged out by the price action. Understand? Type yes if you understand. Or it may not be flagged out by the price. That means price doesn't move, because there's no money going there, even though it's undervalued. Okay. Got it? Okay. But if you ask me, Collin, if in 1 year time frame, which one do you think is better? Buy strong, sell weak, or go and buy undervalue? I think generally I still buy strong, sell weak will do better. Got it? Okay. But you want to diversify, you want to do dollar cost averaging, you want to have some like value stocks, don't look at it one, then you can go and research. Got it? Okay. I think this Royston have some stocks they shared before. Okay, those are stocks that are not the top tier AI stock, but those that second test, those in chips testing, in other things may have benefited. Okay, let's go back to our market. Okay, I want to share with you all something. I'll share with you all something. If you look at the Nasdaq, come back to Nasdaq again. If you look at Nasdaq is overbought. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. My price is very far from my MA. Got it? There is no trade setup. Can you buy now if you want to trade for the next 1 month? The answer is no. Cannot buy. No, not good risk reward. Got it? Not a good risk reward. You want to wait for what? Pull back into the MA. Price CCI drop back to 100, something like this. Break prior candle high, then you buy. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand. That is for swing weekly. For position daily, you just FTS, follow the system. Okay, for position daily, you just follow the system. That means got arrow buy, just follow the system. Got it? For swing weekly, then you want to wait. Got it? Okay, for position weekly, I think no change also. Long term still up. Oh, no change. Okay, so I've covered S&P 500. I covered Nasdaq in all the time frame. Any question? Public, if you have any question, also feel free to ask. Please like and share the post. By the way, maybe good time to do advertisement. Okay, nowadays public also not much people watch. Okay, but if you have people that want to, if you want to join us in our SMT community, you can go to this link. Okay, go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB to join us in our upcoming preview. Okay, what we do in our SMT community. Okay, what do we do in the SMT community? Okay, okay, let the community say. Okay, so what do you all like about the SMT community? Can you type why do you like the SMT community? Is it the training, the few days training very good? Is it the weekly webinar very good? Is it the master class very good? Is it the weekly webinar very good? Or what is the reason? Don't say me very good. Okay. What is the reason that you all find that it's good? Okay. Nobody say master class. Master class is for me the most 头痛 one because every few months people say, Collin, can you come master class? Wow, jialat. Master class is the one that I always think how to do. Okay. Master class guy, if you want finish. Actually, master class guy is for me is difficult because a lot of time I redo my master class, even though like very casual. But master class because it's not two-way, it's one way. So when we teach, sometimes click this button cannot work, and then I gotta redo okay, master class again. Okay. So okay, because the system work, but you have to master this yourself. Thank you, Cami. MEE is Monday Evening Entertainment. Vincent, hi Vincent. Where are you now, Vincent? Good and high and good content, good mentorship, weekly webinar, learn for everyone. Weekly entertainment meeting. We entertain, but we also talk about the market. Yes or no? Systematic approach is good. Yeah, I think systematic approach is the way to go because if not, you will be all over the place, right? Okay. By the way, where's Ron? Ron, are you here, Ron? Okay, nowadays Tommy now I remember Tommy. Okay, feel like updated confidence confirmation that FTS is correct. Well, I got one recently. Got one graduate. Every month he made 8 to 10%, and he be referring a lot of people to me. Okay, one of my team tell me, wow, he's very good, very good. Almost every week got every preview got review to us. Please review people to us. Okay. Trade GPS, I can gain value, systematic trading, community weekly update. Okay, okay, so come and join us. Okay, if you want to come and join us in the how we do it is like this. We have now it's not 4 days, now it's 6 days class. 6 days I'm talking about, sometimes it's just few hours training in that day, but 6 days class. After 6 days class, we have a weekly webinar. We have master class where we talk about different topics. These are short training. And then I think the key is the weekly webinar. I think that is the key. Weekly webinar, the advantage is whatever we learn in the class, we apply in real life. Yes or no? I think that is the thing. Then you can correlate. When I learned position weekly 3 years ago, then now I see the position weekly Nasdaq, then I follow. Yes or no? When I do position daily, that I look at Nasdaq, that I follow, then I know, make money, I do swing weekly, then I follow, then I say, make money, I think that's the key, yes or no? Okay, finish advertisement. Benny, I make back my course fee in 2 months. Thank you. Okay. Hey, by the way, I want to ask for you for testimony. Okay, very long never asked already. Okay, if you're getting result, I recently got one quite good testimony. If you have a testimony, please help me, can or not, by posting in the public Facebook group. Can? I very long never asked already. Okay, but y'all by right, y'all got result already, make back your course fee and things like that. Please go to this group and post your testimony. Can get everyone. I really, really greatly appreciate if you post. Okay. It's not for me, not for my ego, but it's really to so-called share with others. You know, there are a lot of people out there, right, that does think that trading is just luck or trading is just hitting jackpot. It's not like that, yes or no? Okay, trading is really about doing something consistent. It's not 100%. Go it over and over again. That's how you get good at it. Yes or no? So can your SMT graduate do me a favor? If you have results, only if you have result, real result, don't go and fake result. Real result, please go and post your testimony. Can? Let's start with one, the William one. Who is William? Get William to post testimony. Okay, but anyway, the Benny, okay, you owe me one. Help me write something, can? I really, really appreciate it. Okay. Okay, so end of advertisement. Okay, so now come back to Hang Seng. Okay, let's come back to Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index, very interesting. By the way, have you all seen the negative things about Hang Seng, about Hong Kong market. That yes, if you have watched, almost Channel News Asia also have. Now I watch one Hong Kong YouTube channel. This guy from, I don't know who is there. He's a bit of my timeline. He talk about fundamental, very good, very entertaining. Okay, he thought he speak in Cantonese. He talk about the China market, the Hong Kong market, the real estate developers and the problem they have and things. All these are correct. Okay, whatever those people share is correct. Do you find it? Those are looking at the fundamentals. Got it? It's looking at the fundamentals. It's correct. But I am not looking at the fundamentals. I'm looking at the technicals. Got it? Okay. I see whether I can find the YouTube channel again. I got subscribed. Okay. Later I'm going to find and post in the group later. But it's very entertaining. For me, it's very entertaining because I was in Australia, right? At night, nothing to do, right? Australia and night all closed, right? Then I watch the China, the Hong Kong people talking about very entertaining. Wow, the way they talk is like sing song, right? Very entertaining. I wish Singapore got like very entertaining speakers. Very, very interesting, very nice to watch. Okay, so coming back again, when I look at Hang Seng, I'm not looking at fundamentals. Got it? I'm not looking at fundamentals. I'm looking at technicals. That yes, if you understand. If you ask me why is it like that, then I don't know lah. Okay, but you ask me like that, I don't know how to answer. But mine is all technicals. Okay, so right now, if you look at the China market, look at Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index, no matter what you say, is negative, is fundamental, is very bad, and things like that. Since September 2022, since beginning of this year, we have not broken below that already. That yes, if you understand. Beginning of the year, how many of y'all were in the Kickstart event? The Kickstart event, type Kickstart or Fast Start or Kickstart. Okay, Kickstart event, y'all are the Kickstart, right? Oh, by the way, we're going to have one coming soon, 13th of July, where we're going to get 500 of y'all in a room. Then we're going to kick a game. Okay, it's called the next wave. Okay, it's called the next wave. But the Kickstart event, I mentioned about buying the Hang Seng. Yes or no? Type HSI if you all were there and you all heard this. And if you all bought then, right, even till now, you are still up at least 16%. Yes or no? If you just buy Hang Seng, if you don't dollar cost, if you just say, okay, do you follow what I'm saying? It's not too bad. Okay. And you have to consider that the last few weeks market has been correcting. Oh, okay. So coming back again, number one, Hang Seng has not break low, it's not making lower low. The most bearish person will say that Hang Seng is sideways. Like yes, if you agree. Okay, it will say it's sideways. Okay, it will not say it's downtrend already. It's sideways. Then with that, then I drew this lah. Yes or no? I do this like quite some time ago already. Yes or no? Okay, then I say, okay, I think we have more or less reached the bottom. Can buy already beginning of this year. And then if you look at the MA, you can see the MA have crossed. Yes or no? The monthly chart will be slower. Type in slower if you understand. The monthly chart will be slower one. So the type slower if you understand. So some people say, Collin, but monthly chart still downtrend. You can see that. That yes, if you can see that. But you must understand the monthly chart is slower. Nobody go and trick the monthly Hang Seng Index. Okay? So it will be slower. Got it? So most biggest time frame will be weekly chart. Weekly chart, you can see weekly chart is bottoming already. The only thing is it will not go up in a straight line because there are many resistance along the way. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so what is the context? The context here is don't put big amount here. You can do dollar cost averaging. You can do it for long term. It is fine, but you don't go and like stuck your money here lah. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, you want to be able to have other kind of investment, buy longs, buy strong, sell weak kind of thing. But if you want, you can actually do dollar cost averaging here. You can also do a swing trade. Yes or no? Last week I mentioned this before. That yes, if you all heard that last week. Then next question, Collin, this one never touched my 20 MA got set up. Answer is have. Why? We look at the 10 MA, yes or no? We look at the 10 MA and almost like textbook. I don't know whether you are the one who pushed the stock up. Okay? Touch the CCI low, touch the 10 AA trigger last week. Type yes if you agree. I hope you are not the one who triggered, okay? But triggered. Okay, next question, Collin. Now it's below how? Nothing. Put in your stop loss if you want. You put in your stop loss. If you are doing week, you are doing swing weekly. Swing weekly. What's the stop loss? Weekly, where's the stop loss? Stop loss will be the next stop loss 1 here below the MA. Type yes if you understand. Got it? Type yes if you understand below the MA. If stop out, then stop out lah. Oh, if not, then you are in the trade already for weekly swing. If you're not in the weekly swing, can you still enter? Yes, you can still enter. Okay, you're not in the weekly swing. You can enter now, or you can enter when it trigger again. That means you enter now, you're anticipating it will trigger. If you want to be safer, you wait for it to trigger again. No need to trigger this week high. Just look at the previous week high. Once it's above this number, you trigger. Type yes if you understand. Okay, we also did the ETF 2800, right? What was the magic number? 1728, is it? Stop loss in 2028. What's the trigger? Entry is 1860. Very good. Type yes if you understand. 1816 stop loss. 1728 is the 1718 is the stop loss. 1860 is the entry. Got it? You enter already. Okay. Weekly swing. How many percent risk? 5% risk. Max. 5% risk. Okay, your portfolio risk 5%. Got it? You have $10,000, risk $500. Okay, you have 100,000, risk 5,000. Okay, we don't wanna. Okay, but understand what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, Hang Seng Index done. Okay. Any question? Any question? 850. Okay, let's finish Hang Seng Index first. Any question on Hang Seng Index? Hit 1-to-1, you can sell. Yes. Sell signal, you can enter here. You can, let's say here is 7%. Hit first resistance, sell lah. Oh, hit 7% sell lah. 1-to-1. If you miss it, 2 ways. You wait for it to go 1860 again, then you enter. If not, I think the safer way is to wait for 1860 to trigger again. You see, every time like that one, I say already, still got remember, even though this week I say, Next week, if it trigger, still will say, I enter, how can I re-enter again? Every week the same one. Okay. Okay. So to be safe, I wait for 1860 to enter. Got it? Above 1860. How do we know when to use 10 MA or 20 MA? Okay, first thing first, you have to see that this is a very strong uptrend. Second thing, you can see that the CCI is almost at 100 already. Yes or no? So, and then third thing you see is this movement of the weekly chart tells you that it don't want to go down already. Do you all agree? Like from here to here, you see the price move from here, go to here, then from here, go to here, from here, you can see that. Go from here, go to here. Hey, where is it? So it is the price go from here, drop to here, then from here, drop to here. Then next week it went from here, go up. It's want to go already, but fail. Then from here, go down to here. Then this week from here, go up, but end up closing here. So the price don't want to like have a steep drop already. Can you all see that? That yes, if you can see that. It does not want to crash. It wants to recover. Okay. It wants to recover, but haven't recovered. It's like it was trying to go up, but haven't go up yet. Okay. Again, fundamental is very bad. This is technical. Okay. Got it? Okay. If not, I go to A50. 2823 A50. I share. Same thing lah. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Hey, this one no. Hey, did it trigger? Oh, never trigger. A50 no trigger. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. A50 no trigger. Hang Seng Index, who go and trigger one? Is it you all go and trigger? I don't think so. Our community not so powerful. Okay. But A50 was the Hang Seng Index was trigger. A50 not trigger yet. Still also the same setup. Price goes down, go into my MA already. This week telling me this week haven't end. This week haven't end. Yes or no? But the first day of the week, not bad. Okay. The spring softer. Yeah. Okay. The spring softer. Okay. So just take note of that. Okay. But you have to understand the context. You understand the context. The context is it went up about 20% and then now it's about 12%. Got it? Different things. Hello. One is Hang Seng Index. One is China 50 market. Different thing. Yes or no? This is China stocks. Okay. One is Hang Seng. One is it's different thing. Okay. Yeah, different. What to compare. Even they're actually not the same thing. Yes, one is Hong Kong, one is China, right? This is China. Oh. Okay. So done. Any question on China or Hong Kong? What's the trigger point for A50? A50 trigger point will be this is the latest candle. This was last week candle. Oh, this is this week candle. So I don't think we should look at trigger yet. If it get triggered, will be above 1260. Type 1260, 1260, 1260. If this week it go above 1260, then it's triggered. Okay, every time 12.60. Okay. Okay, public got one stock. Okay lah. Since public I will answer. 3067. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Okay, same thing for 3067. Okay, similar to A50. Okay, similar to A50. Okay, how about Nvidia? Okay, public answer a bit. Okay, let's do a bit of advertisement. Okay, later we say bye to public. Okay? Nvidia position weekly is up. Okay, position daily is also up. Okay, swing weekly is cannot buy. Swing weekly cannot buy. Yes or no? The swing was here. Swing daily also. Swing daily can buy a bid for setup. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Guys, if you're just slowly like Terrence are there, Terrence you just slowly do the hey, hi Ron, he just slowly do the stock can buy condo already. Can cash pay condo and not buy condo, not down payment. Can cash pay a condo already. Okay, so hi Ron. Yeah, so guys, you no need to do short term one, you can do long term. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, then one day you make enough money and say, should I liquidate and cash pay my condo? Good feeling, right? Okay lah, maybe not good. Maybe unless you cannot loan if not you can cash pay condo. Okay, so this is already up 500 over %. Oh, maybe I shouldn't review all this. But okay, a student asked me, Collin, should I sell this, take profit, and cash pay my condo? I said, okay lah, make money, take already, sell already. Okay, of course he has write for a long time. Yes or no? It's not like he every week asks he write for a long time. Okay, can I sell now? Okay, when I was in Australia, I said, sell. Go out how? Go up, never mind. Sell, take profit first. Okay. Oh yeah, I did that. I did. Sorry, I ran over the place. Later, I talk a bit about the house thing. Some people got mistaken about the house thing. I say don't buy property, is buy investment property. Not your house that you stay in. House that you stay in always can buy. Okay. Okay. So it almost 8:30 already. Okay, let's wrap up for the SMT community, for the public. We wrap up first, then we talk about other things. I got a few announcements to make. Okay, public, thanks for joining us for this group. If you all want to join us in SMT community, go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB to join us for the next upcoming preview. Okay, so type SMT if you recommend SMT to the rest. Thank you, Stephen. Okay, that's Ron. Ronald, just now I was asking about you. Where were you just now? Because I don't see you. Okay. Okay, thanks, guys. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Okay, let's I have some announcement to make.